Here is the answer for the day 3 bell work. Name each compound as an acid. So question A, this is hydrogen nitrate. When hydrogen nitrate is dissolved in water to make an aqueous solution, it becomes an acid. What is the name of the acid form for hydrogen nitrate? There are 3 rules used to name acids, and I summarized them on the top right corner of this video. When the anion that's in the compound ends in ate, the name of the acid is a word that ends in ic. When the anion ends in ite, the name of the acid is a word that ends in us. When the anion ends in ide, the name of the acid begins with hydro and ends in ic. The questions in this bell work are going to fit these 3 rules. So if this one is hydrogen nitrate, then we're going to use this first rule. The name of the acid is a word that ends in ic. So take the word nitrate, change the ending so it has ic. It becomes nitric acid. Question B, hydrogen bromide. When hydrogen bromide is dissolved in water, it becomes an acid. What's the name of the acid? So the anion is bromide, which ends in ide. So this third rule is going to apply. We're looking for a word that starts with hydro and ends in ic. So take the word bromide and kind of take the stem of that word and put it right in that middle position. It becomes hydrobromic acid. Question C, hydrogen phosphite. When you look on page 268, the PO3 is the word phosphite. So we want this second rule. We want to take the word phosphite, but change the ending so it has an OUS ending. It would become phosphorus acid. Question D, this is going to be the reverse process, so it's still those same 3 rules. If you have hydrochloric acid, then what would be the actual compound? Because it's an acid, it's going to start with hydrogen, and because it's hydrochloric, the anion would be chloride. So we want hydrogen chloride. The formula is HCl. Question E, nitrous. This ends in OUS. So the second acid rule tells us the anion ends in ite. So that would be nitrite. We want to make the formula for hydrogen nitrite, and that's HNO2. Question F, chloric acid. This acid ends in ic. It's this first rule. So we're looking for an anion that's kind of like the word chloric, but instead it ends in ate. Well, that would be chlorate. So we write HClO3. ClO3 is the symbols for chlorate on page 268.